Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my fall Dollar Tree haul. It rhymes.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Okay, I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a really long time, and I'm glad I went. So I got maybe just one thing for Halloween. These are little outdoor LED lights. They had these skulls and jack-o'-lanterns, I think. I got 5 of these, and they're solar powered and they light up. I don't know how great they work, but I think these would be really fun to stake in our lawn up our driveway, especially for Halloween night. It'll be really fun. I think that's the only specific thing I got for Halloween. I also got these 2 pumpkins. They are like styrofoam maybe. I plan to spray paint these silver. I think they'd be really cool on my entryway table. Okay, this, I don't know. This was an impulse buy. It also has an LED little candle in there. It's a little lantern type thing. I actually think this is kind of Christmassy. And I was also thinking maybe I'd spray paint it. I don't know if I love this color. And so maybe spray paint it silver or gold, and this might be cute to put out during the holidays. I got 2 of these packs of burlap leaves. 5 come in a pack. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I kind of thought for a dinner party, this would be cute for place settings, and maybe on a piece of cardstock, write everyone's name. Okay, I am not crafty at all. I just am not, but I want to be. And last year I tried to make an autumn wreath and it didn't turn out that great, and I said, just don't do that again. But I got stuff to try to make another one. I couldn't help myself. So I got a wire frame for the base. I don't know what I'm doing. And then I just got a bunch of florals. Even though I love fall colors, I don't like a ton of bright things around my house. So the craziest I went are these orange flowers. I got some sunflowers, and then everything else I kind of tried to keep this muted cream color. And then I got some of these. So I don't know. I also already have some moss, I think, and floral wire. Is that what that's called? We'll see. I might have just wasted $10. Okay. The rest don't have anything to do with the fall. I pretty much pick up a pack of these every time I go to the Dollar Tree. They're just a pack of 3 gift bags. I love them. They come in a bunch of colors. I like the natural color, and I just think that's a classy gift bag with some tissue paper, and sometimes not classy, but I'll James decorate it or put stickers on it, and it's just fun, and they're 33 cents each. And then lastly, my niece from Chicago is in town, and she's gonna spend the whole day with us this weekend. So I wanted to get something fun for them to do together. My son and she are both 5. And so I got 2 packs of beads. These are just plain rainbow colors. And then these have the letters of the alphabet on them. So I thought they could kind of spell their names or whatever they desire. So my idea is that they could make friendship bracelets, and there was a pack of twine in the same section. I don't know if this is the best material for this project, but it was right there, and it's not like they're meant to last forever anyway. So I don't know. I thought that might be fun for us to do together on Sunday when she's over here. So that is everything. I know it's not quite fall yet, but I kind of couldn't help myself, and the good stuff goes really quickly at the Dollar Tree. So if you like any of this stuff, or if you have other stuff you have in mind to pick up, you might want to go now, because before you know it, they'll be out and the Christmas stuff will be out. No joke. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give the video a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you stick around, come on back, hit that subscribe button. I hope you have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.
Ooh.